Alright, we're back. It's still spinning 2 minutes later. Alright, we got to finish up the headlight here. Put this over on this side. The door is in the way over here. Okay, what are we looking at anyway? Oh yeah, we're looking at the headlight. Okay, I'm going to put the headlight up in there. Put the brake. Okay, do I put Loctite on those screws or I just put it together and ignore it? Yeah. This is what I'm going to do. Hey, I found that missing terminal. Boom. Don't need it. Okay, here's our headlight. Just like a glove. Perfect. Put the screws in that don't fit first. That one didn't fit. This one over here was stripped. This one's going to go in. Goes in now. This topping up here was semi-cross threaded. See, Harley puts lock blocks in these. Indian puts nothing on. Just rust and corrosion. This has got it good now. Look at that. Fast. I like this. Wait for something to fail. There'll be something. You just watch. And this one over here. Yeah, they all went in. Amazing. Screwing them all down. Here I was popping and banging as it goes in. So when it didn't go in before, it's tight. Alright, they're all in there. A little Allen wrench to tighten them. Okay, start on the bottom here. That's pretty tight. That's pretty tight. The two top ones next. That's good. Alright. Get our middle one. Our heater coil. Yep, pulled. Full torque, not pulled. There, that's good. Good stretch on the Allen. See, good stretch on Allen means it's tight. See, it's a torque wrench. If she's tight, she's tight. There. Good. I got a little chicken shit little screw here. It's all it holds the rest on. It was loose. It's only got like 3 threads there, probably holding it that. Probably like 2. There's nothing to hold this in at all. No little tang up in here. Oh, it's got a lip that hooks on top. Okay. Of course, this is in the way for putting it on. Sure that's not an issue anywhere. Just like crap. It is crap. Doesn't line up either. The headlight's really off to one side or something. I'm not sure what's going on here. It's not even close to being square or straight or anything. Let's see here. I don't know what's going on with this stupid headlight. My door's in the way over here. So we got a headlight that's flush on this side, not on this side. It's angling way to the left. I think they're trying to blind an oncoming traffic on purpose. Okay, we need to get that popped up and off of there somehow. This thing's in the way here for doing that. Okay. Nose picker for getting behind it. Screwdriver for getting it down. There you go. Alright, what are we going to do here? I'm thinking this needs to be adjusted a bunch. That's the only adjustment you got is one? The old eyeball adjustment. More vertical. It's supposed to be going downhill a little bit, not way up. I don't know where we're at on bike height. I think we're about level on bike height. So that's vertical. Side to side looks good. Alright. Precision adjustment. Let's see what this does this time. A little bit better. Still kind of hokey on how it goes, but definitely better. Hole's not even close over there though. There we go. That's lined up now there. None of this stuff really lines up very well. Yeah, whole headlight's kind of sideways. What do you want? It's an Indian. Put some blue Loctite on the screw here. Ooh, a lot of it. It was falling off, so. was all lined up. Just moved over. There, I must have bumped it. I don't know what angle it's supposed to be at. Try to find one that works. There's one that worked right there. Probably stripped. Well, if it's supposed to get tight, it doesn't do that. Probably why it was falling off. Probably not the right screw. Or it's stripped. There you go. Alright. Now it comes out easier, that's better. Well, there is threads in there, but not this one, evidently. Those are pretty bad. If I had to guess, I'd say they were probably stripped. All right. I'm not sure if that even takes a straight. It probably takes a sheet metal screw. Yeah. I think it takes a sheet metal screw. Or not sheet metal screw. Wood style screw. I don't see any real threads in there. It's too thin to be threaded. So I put my screwdriver in the back here, you can see it. See, it's like one layer. If it was supposed to be threaded, it would be thicker. See, it's got a couple threads on this side, but I don't think that's correct. It's supposed to be a sheet metal screw of some type. Not a machine screw. A machine screw is like a bolt, it has threads. Sheet metal screws are like these. Like that. But we need something with a countersink and big diameter. This is too small. Yep, way too small. I'm gonna have to wind up going to a regular screw and be what it's gonna be. Ooh, maybe not. Look at that. Look what I got. Stainless steel, straight slot. Styling. Oh, look at that. If that don't fit in there right now, it will if you shove it in there. Yeah, I think that'll work. I don't know what's supposed to be in there, but I think that's what's going to go in there. All I know is what was in there, it was not tight, and it doesn't have any threads on it. This doesn't quite fit through there very well either, so we know this is big. So it'll be perfect. Perfect piece of crap. Must be an Indian. It gets tight. I'm good with it. It's an upgrade. That's more rattles. Alright. We like rattles. Rattles are good. Only one extra screw. It's pretty good. It's extra because we changed it. Not because we didn't know where it went. It's extra because we don't have a place for it. We updated it. See, that's not old anyway, it's new. They shoved that in there. Ooh. That's just something they came up with. Alright, we'll put that in my miscellaneous screws. Got a bunch of those around here somewhere. Alright. 11 o'clock. Alright, all I'm going to clean up, we'll be back.